What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So the XRP explosion just continues, and I love to see this level of growth, loving it for my Margex positions, loving it for my overall positions that I own outright. I'm just loving it, right? I don't really have too much news to bring to you guys. I saw a comment yesterday where like, you're saying a lot, but I'm not getting any type of major substance from this video. And I understand what you mean. You don't have any new news. What I do on this channel is I show you guys my positions and why I believe in them. It doesn't mean that I have all of the news in the world and that I know everything about XRP or I know everything about any position that I talk about. I just invest into them based on what I know and what I feel during that day, or during that week, or during that year, and that's my strategy, man. And I hope you guys have your own strategy. And if you come here for news related updates, maybe you'll get some, but a lot of them are just talking about the things that have already happened, right? And maybe about the prediction of where I believe this to be. Um, but that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this content. And if you don't, I apologize. I'm always into, getting different tips. I don't want to give out any financial advice. People tell me, hey, you need to tell somebody when to buy and when to sell. I'm not looking to give out any financial advice. I do copy trading and I try and trade here and there. I think today was a down day for copy trading, and depending on how I end the day, it may be an up day. You never know. But the point is that I make my investment based on what I believe, and hopefully you guys do the same. But XRP has definitely been running in this last week. Um, I'm happy to see that, because as I talk, super bullish on these plays, it's always great to hear the silence. The silence is just so loud. It's ridiculously loud for those people that just say XRP is not going to be worth anything. XRP sucks. XRP is going to zero. All of these things that they say, it's just so great and just, I don't know, amazing. It feels like there's just warmth inside of me, like I'm drinking warm tea after being sick or on a cold winter day. Like it feels soothing because I know of what XRP will be, and I was just waiting for that movement to get back to where it would be. And as I say, this is a perfect buying opportunity. If you would have bought then at a level of 40 cents, then you getting up to 63 cents would have been massive. Whether it's through margin trading or Margex, or it's through just owning it outright, it would be massive. I went from having a cost basis of 60 cents to having a cost basis of 51 cents. And now I'm up like $9,000 on this play because I decided to double down or triple or quadruple down into this play that I truly believed in. And I didn't let anybody talk me out of the way that I feel or the way that I felt about a position. That's the one thing you can take from these videos if you want to learn something, is if you have conviction for a play, don't let anyone else talk you out of buying or holding or being a part of your positions that you believe in, because they will do it. They will say that you're doing everything wrong, you suck at your job, or you suck at what you're doing, but in reality, you're doing a fantastic job. You're doing what you wanted to do, and you're going to see gains because of it, right? And if you don't see gains in the end, like say if you invest into something to where you had conviction, it just didn't work out, you learn from those situations, right? You're never wrong. You're making these decisions to ultimately get to your end goal, which in reality you will be right. So just learn every step that you take, every step that you go. Don't let anybody talk you out of these plays, because I've been talked out of plays and I said no more. I was talked out of buying Solana at $26 in the beginning, and I would have bought it. I would have had a lot of money as I took profit, and then I would have been able to invest into it again at $11. However, I didn't invest into it in the beginning, which meant I didn't sell at the top point because I didn't have any, and I didn't buy at the bottom point because I didn't have any free money that I gained from that position. I was talked out of so many different plays, talked out of Tesla. I was talked out of a lot of stuff. I will never let it happen again. If I believe in something, I will go with it. Anyways, let's talk about XRP. Enough of that ranting here. Let's talk about XRP and where that stands. It's currently at about 61 cents. We did see it get to 63 today, and it did retrace, which I tried to play the downturn a little bit. I caught it a little bit late as it was kind of climbing up a little bit. I tried to get a couple of 50x leverages. Didn't really work out well. Lost a little bit of money. Ended up gaining some as it did come down again. But I wish I would have seen it at 63, exactly at 63, because I would have taken that short, because it's run quite a bit at that time. And it was a short-lived thing, right? I took the short, lost money from that, but then ended up making money on the next short, making half that money back. I'm not trading with emotion. And I'm going to continue to trade. I think I traded like some AVAX as well. But anyways, we're sitting at 61 cents right now. It's up 4.4%. It was up a little bit more, but you could see my overall crypto balance is for XRP is at $61,097 and 31 cents. It's currently at a 34.0 billion-dollar market cap. The volume is up 21% more than what it was before. It's currently at a $3.5 billion volume day, which is about 11% volume to market cap ratio. Fantastic. All of these numbers are absolutely fantastic to see for XRP and to finally see some major life. If you look at the last 7 days in the last week, it's up 40.1%. The movement has been phenomenal from the level to where I said, look, this is a buying point. Yes, it did come down to $40, $40, 40 cents. But then did increase again all the way up to a level of 47, up to a level of 55, decreased a little bit down. You had some consolidation, and now it picks up again to a level of 63. If you found that level to purchase there, you basically have gained about, let's say, almost half, right? 40%, 41% in your balance. If you had $1,000, you gained $400. If you had $10,000, you gained $4,000. You gained so much out of just buying at that moment to where we are today. But it's not over, right? The ultimate goal, ultimate mission, right, is to have Ripple win the case, have XRP blow up in the form of use, in the form of just the overall price, and adoption and belief. And now you have newer people that are coming in and going, okay, you know what? This was a long battle, and Ripple came out on top. XRP is honestly the winner of this entire, bull to bear to bull market, and we're going to see XRP run to a way higher level. This is just honestly a taste of what you can get, and I was able to profit off of XRP a couple of times in a few trades, but I still have my XRP trades that are over here. So if I go over here, this is the copy trading one, but if I go over here and I look at my account that's here, I was able to gain quite a bit, and I still have an XRP trade that's right here that's up 2,503% at a 50x leverage. The low price is 40-cent liquidity. I'm keeping this for a very, very long time because it only makes sense, right? The lowest liquidity price, I don't think it's going to get down to that price again. There's always a chance it could, but that's the way that I'm playing it out. I want to see that run. I already collected my initial investment, if not more than that, as well as the profit that I had. But if I'm looking at the prices that we believe it's going to get to, we're talking about $5. That's 56,000% here. Now, it's not a lot. That's a starting point. But still, 56,000% is amazing. You see it get to a level of $10. That's 117,000%. So I'm able to gain a ton just based off of here if I decide to hold it for that long. And also, if I go to my Coinbase assets, you're going to see that I still have my XRP that's sitting here. Let me go ahead and refresh this. I still have my XRP that's sitting there. And hopefully I'm good and I'm still logged in. Yes. I have $61,000, right? I have 100,000 XRP. I'm up. It says $3,000 on this, but honestly, it should be more than that. It gave me a cost basis of before I decided to, or when I went back and forth, or when I transferred it over, and where that cost basis was at that level. However, the cost basis was a lot lower when I transferred it over from Margex, if that makes sense. But either way, I'm able to gain a ton out of this being up this much and having that cost basis to where my true cost basis is over here on coin market cap, which is 52. Yeah, it's 51.5, and I'm up $9,553 on this play. Very, very happy with it. I believe XRP is going to be worth a lot more, and the explosion just starts now. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about XRP. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. You can check out the links from Margex if you guys want to get started trading. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.